Okay, so let me continue with my discussion. Okay, sorry, na-interrupt ng konti, ano? So, AJE number 4 na tayo, no? So, that's bad debts expense, 1,000. Okay, na-post na natin kanina. And then, credit allowance for bad debts, 1,000 pesos. So, meron ba tayong allowance for bad debts? Wala po. Okay? So, bad debts expense, 1,000. Then, allowance for bad debts. Or allowance for doubtful accounts. Pareho lang. Okay? So, adjustment number 4, 1,000 pesos. Okay? Next. Dali lang para... Okay. Next is the depreciation. Depreciation of office equipment, 4,167. Bakit ba nandito to? So, it should be here. Okay? Depreciation expense, meron ba dito? Wala. So, idagdag po natin, ano? Depreciation expense, office equipment, and then accumulated depreciation. Accumulated. Meron ba? Okay, meron po. Okay, so merong previous accumulated depreciation ng 10 pesos. Ay, 10 pesos. 10,000 pesos, I'm sorry. So, bakit ko tinanggal yung depreciation expense? So, that's it. So, debit, magkano yun? 4,000. Adjustment number 5, 4,167. And then, accumulated depreciation na credit, 4,167. So, adjustment number 5. Number 6, the company used the income method of initial, okay? So, that is debit, service, revenue earned, 20,000 pesos. Okay, 20,000 pesos, service revenue earned. And then, unearned service revenue, the earned portion during the year is 40,000 pesos. Ang earned daw niya is 40,000. Okay. So, 20,000. So, binawasan natin. Tama. Okay. Chine-check ko lang. Na-confuse ako ng konti. Ano? Service revenue, 20,000 pesos. Okay. So, this is AGE number 6. And then, unearned service revenue. Meron ba tayo unearned? Wala pa po. Okay? So, unearned service revenue. Magkano? Adjustment number 6, 20,000 pesos. So, that is a liability. Okay? So, i-forward po natin, ano? Tapos na? Okay. So, ayusin ko lang po ito, ano? And then, i-forward po natin yung mga balances, okay? So, sa cash, wala namang adjustment. Adjusted balance for cash is 20,000, still 20,000. Okay, adjustment for accounts receivable, 50,000. Prepaid insurance, okay, sabi ko nga, debit ang normal balance. Since nagkaroon ng credit, i-deduct po natin, ano? Okay, next, supplies, 10,000 pesos. Tapos, merong credit na 9,000, i-deduct po natin. So, that's 1,000 pesos. So, doon pa rin tayo sa normal balance ng asset. Ano? Office equipment na 30,000 pesos. Okay, forwarded. Wala namang binili. Okay, hindi nadagdagan. So, next, accumulated depreciation. Okay, so nasa credit side na po siya, na credit. So, addition. Kasi po, contra asset po ito. So, credit ang normal balance. Plus 4,167. Okay, 14,000 na siya, no? And then, accounts payable. Wala namang iba. Okay, yun pa rin. Capital, ganun pa din. Okay, and then service revenue earned, 60,000, credit siya. Nagkaroon ng debit, so syempre ibabawas mo po siya. Okay, so 40,000 po yan. And then salaries expense, okay, wag kalimutan, ano, nasa debit side po yan, ano, so 20,000 pesos. And then, the rent expense, 20,000 pesos. Nagkaroon ng debit ba to? Okay, so i-add po natin, ano? Okay, so 5,500. Okay, and then, that's it. Okay, so i-forward natin yung mga balances na ito. Okay, so wala naman, kasi itong mga ito, wala po, ibig sabihin, wala pa po siya dito. So, sa mga account na to, so i-extend lang natin siya doon sa kabila. So, these are the Control V. Okay. So, values tayo. Okay? Kasi naka-formula yan eh. So, ibig sabihin, Control C. Okay, i-drag ko lang. Control C. And then, right-click. pay special, okay? Para yung values lang ang ipipaste niya, okay? So, that's it. So, kapag tinanong, how much is the adjusted balance, okay, of the prepaid insurance account, ang tanong is, ang sagot is 2,000 pesos. Okay? How much is the adjusted balance of the supplies? Okay, asset, supplies, 1,000 pesos. How much is the total accumulated depreciation? Okay? The adjusted accumulated depreciation, ito po yan. Okay? So, kapag tinanong sa bawat account na yan, kung magkano ang adjusted balance, yan po ang isasagot nyo yun dito sa portion na ito. Okay? So, that's it. Now, wait lang. Okay. So, since this is a trial balance, okay? So, next meeting ko i-discuss ito, no? Kasi may mga tanong ako diyan, ano? Okay, sana maalala nyo pa, no? Na i-discuss ko naman yan, no? Hanggang dito muna yung discussion natin. Okay? Since this is an adjusted trial balance, okay? Or trial balance, no? Kunin natin yung total, kung tama ba yung total, kung balance ba tayo, ah? Okay? So, hindi tayo nagbalanse. May problema, ibig sabihin. Okay? So, 56,567, saan tayo nagkamali? Saan? Saan ako nagkamali? So, 47,000, so magkano diferensya? Kunin natin, ano? So, 9,000 pesos. So, 9,000 pesos. Supplies expense, 9,000. Tama ba? So, that's it. Oh, tama naman. Supplies, expense, debit, and credit, supplies. Tama ba yung formula? Naka-extend sa taas. Okay. So, this one, naka-extend sa taas. Tama naman. So, this should be, dapat, may diferensya siya na 9,000 pesos. Okay, so nakita ko na yung disbalance, no? Nagkamali ng post, ano? Hinanap ko na muna para hindi makadagdag sa oras ng video. So, this is 1,000, diba? This expense credit allowance for budgets, 1,000 dapat ito, ano? So, ibig sabihin, mali din ito. Okay, balance na ba? Okay, tingnan nga natin. Okay, 47,667. Okay, so ito, yung, okay, so balance na po tayo, ha? So, dapat balance yan. So, for now, hanggang dyan na po muna yung discussion natin. So, i-double rule po natin ito, ano? Okay, so that's it. So, kapag tinanong magkano ang adjusted trial ba, ang adjusted amount, okay, ng bawat account, ito po ang isasagot ninyo, itong mga amount na to. Tapos, ito yung adjustment, of course, nanggaling yan sa adjusting entries nyo, mga my dear. Okay, so that's it for now. Okay, so, again, God bless everyone at sana bigyan ng pansin, okay, yung mga pinopost ko, no? At para sa inyo din naman yan, okay? So that's it. God bless everyone, and again, make your family proud.